Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can claim gold coins that have been converted from the past My Little Pony event if you joined the event. So you are now able to basically claim it. So for instance, you had unused gems. You can go to your mailbox here. It says, "Dear DG member, your unused Harmony Energy Gem." Okay, not the badge, sorry, but the unused Harmony Energy Gem from the event has been automatically converted into items in the attachment. Don't forget to redeem them next time. So just claim it. I got 10,000. I saw a lot of people get 100 even, but that's because they saved their gems. I didn't, and I kind of stopped resonating, but that's what you are able to claim if you did continue doing that. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'm a little bit lagging here. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.